Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, we are talking about the severe outbreak that is going out eastern to Pensacola and all that, and we hope that this fire right around there will die out. I will talk about that in another video. So there is an enhanced risk for the SPC, but I will nope. Um, why not add another one? Cause normally with these storms, there's always one that we mainly care about that's near Oklahoma City, and then one that we don't really care about that much. So I added that. So as I said, this one has Oklahoma City, Tulsa. The yellow has Houston, Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Texarkana, Dallas, Fort Worth, and then this area has Montgomery, Little Rock, Jefferson City, and yeah. So let's go to the SPC outlook. So the SPC outlook is somewhat like mine. But I also had the yellow larger than it does, and the green larger than it does. So they have like a little line down for the thingamajig for the categorical. Now let's go see tornadoes. So there is a 2% chance for tornadoes around the Oklahoma City area, and possibly going down to Dallas, and it will be moving down this way and here. And this is where the possible storm will go. We'll talk about that in another video. Yeah. So let's go check out the hail. So there is a significant possibly hail south of Oklahoma City. Dallas, you also in it. Fort Worth, Texarkana, you're also in it too. Let's now go to wind. Wind would be our major threat here, with a significant 30% for wind, and that would be near the Oklahoma City area. Yeah, Oklahoma City. Sorry. You are going to have a bad time with this one. So let's see the nom, and let's see where it goes. So first, let's see Oklahoma City. So Oklahoma City is way around there. Let's see what time it will get to Oklahoma City. Let me just scroll up. What time will it get? Right there. Okay. So there might be like some spotty showers on the way, but the main bulk of it will start around 5 a.m. Friday and go into 7 to 8. So that's around 14 hours. Now let's go on down to Dallas and see what Dallas is. So Dallas, right around that area, and we can see right around 15 to 16. Now let's see Baton Rouge, right along that area. Let's bring this down right along that area. So let's go So Baton Rouge, you only have some spotty showers until 28 hours from now, which is at 10 p.m. tomorrow. And then New Orleans, right along that area. Um, you would be around 30 to 31 hours. So this storm does have some severe thunderstorm warnings along the border of Oklahoma and Texas, and we do see the start of possibly awful, which is probably going to be awful. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. I bye bye.